Hi everyone, let's talk about salads. Salads are more than just a side dish. They can be the star of your meal. Whether you're looking for a light lunch or a hearty dinner, salads offer endless possibilities. Salads aren't just for summer picnics anymore. They have become a staple in many households, thanks to their versatility and health benefits. You can customize them to suit your taste, dietary needs, and even the season. They're a delicious way to enjoy fresh, wholesome ingredients year-round. Imagine biting into crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and crunchy cucumbers, all topped with a zesty dressing. The flavors and textures are simply irresistible, and the best part? Eating salads regularly can actually help you live longer. Studies have shown that people who consume a diet rich in fruits and vegetables have a lower risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. It's true. Scientists and doctors agree that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats is key for a long and healthy life. These nutrients help to reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and boost your immune system. And what better way to get those nutrients than in a big, beautiful salad? You can mix and match ingredients to create a salad that's not only nutritious, but also visually appealing. Think of it as a canvas where you can express your culinary creativity. So are you ready to learn how to make a salad that's as delicious as it is good for you? Let's get started. We'll explore different types of greens, toppings, and dressings, and I'll share some tips on how to make your salads more exciting and satisfying. Stay tuned. Every great salad starts with a bed of leafy greens. And when it comes to longevity, spinach is a superstar. Spinach is packed with vitamins A and C, which help boost your immune system and protect your cells from damage. But don't stop at spinach. You can mix in other leafy greens like romaine lettuce, kale, or arugula. Each one brings its own unique flavor and nutrients to the party. Now let's add some color. Bell peppers are a fantastic addition to any salad. They're low in calories and high in vitamin C, which is essential for healthy skin and a strong immune system. Tomatoes are another great choice. Tomatoes contain lycopene, an antioxidant that's been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Don't be afraid to get creative with your veggies. Section 4. Power up with protein, beans, and nuts. To make your salad a satisfying and complete meal, we need to add some protein. Beans are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Nuts and seeds are another great way to add protein, healthy fats, and crunch to your salad. Walnuts, almonds, and pumpkin seeds are all excellent choices. Just a handful goes a long way. Section 5. Healthy fats for flavor and wellness. Speaking of healthy fats, we can't forget about avocado. Avocado is a nutritional powerhouse full of healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. Adding just half an avocado to your salad can help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, it adds a creamy, satisfying texture that you'll love. Section 6. A symphony of flavors, the art of dressing. Now that we've got all our healthy ingredients, it's time to talk about dressing. The dressing is often the unsung hero of a salad, bringing together all the flavors and textures into a harmonious blend. Whether you prefer a tangy vinaigrette or a creamy dressing, the key is to balance the flavors and keep it healthy. A good dressing can make or break a salad, and it's important to choose one that complements the flavors without adding too much sugar or unhealthy fats. Many store-bought dressings are loaded with preservatives and artificial ingredients, which can detract from the freshness of your salad. Making your own dressing at home is not only healthier, but also allows you to customize it to your taste. My go-to salad dressing is a simple vinaigrette made with olive oil, lemon juice, and a touch of honey. This combination is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, while lemon juice adds a burst of vitamin C and a refreshing tang. The honey adds a subtle sweetness that balances the acidity of the lemon, and a touch of honey. You can also experiment with adding different herbs and spices to your vinaigrette. Fresh herbs like basil, parsley, or cilantro can add a burst of flavor and color to your dressing. A pinch of salt and pepper, or even a dash of mustard, can elevate the taste even further. It's light, refreshing, and lets the natural flavors of the ingredients shine through. The beauty of making your own dressing is that you can adjust the ingredients to suit your preferences and dietary needs. So next time you're preparing a salad, take a moment to create a dressing that will enhance and elevate your dish. Your taste buds will thank you. Section 7. Your daily dose of deliciousness. Making the salad a habit. Congratulations! You've just created a salad that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can help you live a longer, healthier life. Salads are a fantastic way to incorporate a variety of vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds into your diet, providing you with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining good health, boosting your immune system, and even improving your mood. The key is to make the salad a regular part of your diet. By doing so, you can ensure that you're consistently fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Plus, salads are incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. You can experiment with different ingredients, dressings, and toppings to keep things interesting and prevent salad fatigue. Whether you enjoy it for lunch, dinner, or even as a side dish, this salad is a delicious way to nourish your body from the inside out. It's perfect for any meal and can be easily paired with your favorite proteins, such as grilled chicken, tofu, or fish. Additionally, incorporating a variety of colorful vegetables and fruits into your salad can make it more visually appealing and appetizing, encouraging you to eat more of it. So, go ahead and treat yourself to a big bowl of goodness. Not only will you be doing your body a favor, but you'll also be indulging in a meal that's both satisfying and delicious. Remember, the more you enjoy your food, the more likely you are to stick with healthy eating habits in the long run. So don't be afraid to get creative and have fun with your salads. Your body will thank you for it. By making salads a regular part of your diet, you're taking a proactive step towards better health and well-being. So embrace the habit of eating salads and enjoy the numerous benefits that come with it. Here's to a healthier, happier you.